Yeah. Everybody. Yes.
It is start already? I hear it beginning. Can't even pass over my head.
The way you get here.
You should continue push your finger right run around in a circle with you. Yeah, come on.
What I do, dog?
It a get dark.
That's right.
It is getting dark.
That's why you can see what you want. And the light and the light just last like darkness.
Which light?
You know, turn on. You turn on it.
When a hurricane extra dark, it's gonna be dark.
Come on, hold on.
What are you doing?
Let me tea.
Come look this one.
You don't have to look for nothing. Oh, this is a power bank. A power bank, this? Oh, Bluetooth. Your phone almost there, man. Can I come? I'm sure not outside. I'm taking my risk. What I do, dark? I'm surprised that they've gone here to buy solar. I will pick you up. Oy. Boy, feel more calm and peaceful. So guys, it's now 6:27. I make cornflakes. I make some of this. On here, I love the wind outside and storm. Getting into that. So you remember you can't touch it. All done. Your hair is finished. Completely finished. So guys, we just finished putting my grandma here. And this is bedtime. I'm about to start again. So I'm going to lay down. I'm going to edit one video in the meantime. So I can get into post as soon as possible. I can't believe the lights still not gone after 7 now. Out of the dark, I can be there. I'm showing outside. Ooh. It's still so windy. I can't see a thing. I wish I could actually see outside better for sure. When storm start, I go resume back and I go hear it. And if I drop asleep, I get up back. And the breeze will be strong, see me, and rain will fall hard, see me. Let me try going for a view, yeah.
And the car them strapped down me out. Could I board the panty?
You see me can find panda. Top is left to play. Sure, this one. Lights out. Lights out. Merci. Merci. Care game. Yo, come here and drive. You know, see me? So this is me right now, and the room light turn up. This is surprise light no gone yet. Game over here. Me can go lay down here, man, and edit video. The video them long. Tell me long. Peering me here to do still. That day when time we come and open me eye, you want to say, oh, what do you have me eye?
You can't see the
Yeah, the next way they open your eye, you can't
This is a
see.
prank day. You put on your very you are serious too. I just pass you until the next day. I said, why? Why April? Alright, probably
That's funny, me go do it too much. Almost 10 o'clock. And my shoes them must soak.
Are these heels? And these are shoes are so.
Well, I want to drip from up this up. So you see the water up my
So these are brown shoes are so wet. See it, where are this up? You're giant. Up this up, to come up for the zinc.
Could I hold on your sauce?
I'm surprising they're not surprising for this one dry place.
I'm surprised I can't just go back up. Yes. Oh my gosh. Now the shoes are wet. About 10:18 now, we feel hungry. 10:18 now. 10:18. Rain a fall hard out of the road. It rains blow that hard, you know? But it blow hard no one then. And mommy friend me to me see. Tell me some shoes. I wait. I was so frightened. But you know really read because which part my shoes and then one room the behind that and it can push back across so to the living room to which part to me showing up on the roof earlier. So that's why, because that's how, and like they can, you have like one style this in it, and they can, so that's why you probably the rain water run somebody and it a drip. Right, I make a drink juice and bun. You the back cheese, mommy?
But I just flat out. Yeah, so I sleep through eating, you know, man.
But I sleep, I'm here, I still sleep.
Yeah, I hear nothing.
And then they wake me up.
Yeah. I'm going to sing up.
Me have some both on the food.
I look at you, wake me with
So
nothing.
whole time you sleep.
Just sleep.
Come on, man. Who put out this in our machine and that clean there?
You think that April come down here? Very strong.
I don't know. My family open this here me.
Up in the funny side, this side. The flicker down.
Wait.
Down this side up there, so.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Squeeze it together now for you do that. Squeeze it. No, that one side you open, this side you up. Squeeze up into. Make sure.
So?
Squeeze it up together, make it pump out. It pump out. Yes. Pull it now.
This feel like survival mode.
The theory big something big as I'm saying one little hole.
Then this one we still drinking. You hear this? You hear me background like a pianist and my ears old.
I don't hear nothing. When you hear me, I say yes.
You especially me there to put this in.
When? Me? And that was I me fall asleep before you?
After that, since you wake up, pianist and my ears old.
Lucky.
Put back.
The Bible quiz.
Kawa.
I didn't sit.
Listen, YouTube.
I'm trying to hear me the Bible quiz. What were the Israelites supposed to put around the doors to save themselves from the last plague? Holy water.
Before?
Are you listening?
But the option them be.
What were the
No, we're
Israelites
just to give me Bible quiz. No, we're not
supposed
reading
to
storm.
put around the doors to save themselves from the last plague? Holy water, lamb's blood,
No.
their own blood, milk and honey.
What water?
Lamb's blood.
Yeah, go to lamb's blood, you know. Yeah, go see first.
Question 3 to 5 now. Noah, his family, and the animals were saved in the dash while it rained for 40 days and 40 nights.
Yeah.
Yes. How many plagues has the Lord sent to Egypt? 5, 4, 10.
How many who?
Plagues has the Lord sent to Egypt?
What's
5.
that?
They don't like plague them.
5.
4, 10.
5 writing.
10.
I still get
shall
one.
pierce through your own soul. Who said these words to Mary? Gabriel, Anna, Simon, Joseph.
Joseph. Or Gabriel. Type Gabriel. Angel Gabriel. And a Gabriel.
Surprise, just want to her because Jews don't speak to Samaritans takes me away from God.
Prophet God.
Yeah, no. Sin dash brings me closer to God, takes me away from God.
Sin take you from God.
Yes. Who are the branches in Jesus' blessing? Christians, Jesus would.
What do?
Who are the branches in Jesus' blessing?
Yes.
Christians, Jesus would.
Branches in a lesson of Christians.
Christians. What did Noah not take with him into the ark? Animals, food, his family, his favorite toys. A Christian named Dash lived in Damascus. The Lord spoke to him and told him to go and lay hands on Saul because he had chosen Saul to do his work. Peter, Ananias, a Christian named
That's the option too. Give me
a Christian named Peter. No, just one step away from him. The woman was surprised and spoke to her because Jews don't speak to Samaritans. Jesus loves Samaritans.
Our Jesus of Samaritans.
Our Jews speak to our Jews
Jesus
don't
of
speak.
Samaritans.
Our Jews don't speak to Samaritans. Am I right? Jews don't speak to Samaritans. Sin brings me closer to God, takes me away from God, which
Sin don't take you away. It's now 10:48 p.m. and outside. The sun is back. What is that fun?